Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we just should open the application by click to the open button, then tap to enable in settings, and in the green Apple keyboard let's tap once on the switcher, tap twice to OK. So now let's go back, click switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these available emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.